So now we have our gateway showing data from the token with the JOT policy. This token has been authenticated with OAuth and authorized with OPA. There are a number of policies that you can apply on top of the ones that we have applied already. We'll see later some of them, like relimiting or WAF protection. But at the end of the day, human mistakes will eventually happen. It's not really a question of if, but more about when it's going to happen. So to protect you from those data leak situations, we are going to use a data DLP policy, a data loss protection policy. This policy allows you to very easily to protect your data from the credit cards being leaked or social security number, but the most important thing is that you can protect your own business data. So every business have a different sensitive set of sensitive data. So once that you identify that, you want to protect your data leaks specifically from those cases. So in my case, I will use an email and a JOT token. So let's copy this block and then apply. So before applying, we can see that the email is shown. And after applying this in the label OAuth true, and after a few seconds, we'll see that the X email field is masked. It's masked. This can be configured, the number of the character that is showing the mask, the percentage of the string that is being hidden, so all this kind of thing. So I am just using the defaults here. We are also protecting for your token, but in my case, or in our case, the JOT token is not handled in the client side. What the client have is a hash of the real token. So to demonstrate the DLP policy, we are going to policy. We are going to change the JOT policy. This block that you see session is telling the system to store the real token in Ingress. So we are going to delete that block, and after deleting that block, the token will be sent from the browser of the customer, and hopefully the DLP policy will catch it and will protect it. So refreshing, yeah, and you see that the token is masked. Actually, both your tokens are masked. And in the application side, so let's go to the space, to the application. This is the application. Let's check the logs. You see that the application is receiving the information without any masking, without any operation. If I refresh the screen several times, I will see the log entries there with no mask. And the reason for that is that the protection is happening in the response. So the requests go to the gateway, from the gateway to the application, from the application back to the gateway, and is the response of that request, and then the masking happen, and then the response is finally sent to the client.